Understanding the general process for window replacement not only helps you prepare, but also helps facilitate conversations with your contractor. Here are some tips to make your replacement window installation run smoothly. How do you prepare? Choosing a contractor can be as important as selecting your windows. Incorrect installation could lead to leaks and other problems. Search websites, social media pages, and the Better Business Bureau, or ask for referrals from friends, neighbors, or coworkers. Get multiple written estimates that include start and completion dates, a detailed description of work, project costs, who will get the necessary permits, and payment arrangements. Once an agreement is signed, your contractor will come to your home to take final measurements and answer any questions before ordering your windows. Discuss with your contractor how much space will be needed for each window installation. As installation day nears, clear pathways of anything that could slow down crews or cause them to trip. Find out if it's necessary to remove window treatments. On the day of installation, disconnect security features on windows to avoid sounding false alarms and keep children and pets away from work areas. Confirm exactly which windows are being replaced before the work begins. The number of windows being replaced will help determine the amount of time the whole project will take. On average, plan for 1 to 2 days from start to finish. Sometimes removing a window reveals underlying issues, such as rot, that could increase the initial cost or timeline of the project. Once the installation is complete, walk through your home with a contractor to learn how each window operates and how to clean and maintain them. When the project is complete, you should feel completely satisfied and have all of your questions answered. Review any warranties included with the windows and save your purchase information. And remember, communication with your contractor throughout the process helps ensure the installation goes smoothly and your new windows look and function as you expect. Don't just replace your windows, upgrade your home.